What's up guys, Luke here, hot day at the shop. We're going to be pulling off the oil pan, the GR86, to see how bad the guy got the factory header already off, and you have to take it off to get the oil pan out. Looks like a bunch of 10 mils here. Oil pan is different from the first gen. I see a little, put the light on here, little foam seal right here too. Notice the engine mounts. Oh, it's a lot of orange shit there, but notice the engine mounts are all covered. Oh, look how much sealant is there on the timing cover. Look how much sealant is on the timing cover. I bet you, and look, there's a different color sealant here. It's not even a complete bead. This is a different color from that one. You know, everyone thinks that the sealant is coming from the oil pan, but I'm willing to bet it's this stuff that's breaking off. And I bet we can tell where, because that's the upper oil pan sealant, a dark gray, and then the timing cover sealant is a lighter color. So we can check and see if the part numbers are different for those. So I'm gonna pull this off and then we're gonna take a look. There it comes. For that good sound. Okay, it's coming off right now. Oh, grab the camera, Will. Just nobody thinks I put some sealant in there. This better be a good one. I think I should get that bucket too. There will be a lot of residual oil dripping out. Alright, she's off. Well, they definitely changed that pickup design. Shine the light in here. It looks nice and shiny in there. Willing to bet that's not a great looking oil. Alright, 2 gaskets here. Don't move these. That does not look great. There's a lot of... Look. Oh, I wonder if this is me dropping it out, cutting it, but there's already gasket material in there.
Yeah, look
at that shiny flake right there. There.
Look at the edges, there's so much.
Look. That little shiny piece in there. Look at that. Look right there. That's a piece of metal. Gasket material. Oh man, this is not good. This does not look good. Look how much gasket there is on here. Look at the thickness of that. Way too much. Way too much. I'm gonna look up the tube.
You got some oil on your phone because of the dripping.
It's dripping a lot. So look how much gasket there is on the back here, just built up. Tons. Alright, so let's see if we can get a shot in the pickup too. Oh yeah, there's a Oh, fuck yeah.
What, really?
Yep, there's tons in there. Look at that. Halfway block.
Oh, wow.
Alright, let's take this. Can we take that off? No. You gotta take the timing cover off to take it off.
No.
Yeah, it's bolted up from the front there. So we're gonna have to stick something in there and take that stuff out. But yeah. Alright, I'm gonna grab the borescope. Alright, so we're back. Now we have a little Amazon borescope camera here that works really good. And we're gonna take a look at what's in there in a little bit more detail. So it's got a light and stuff. Here, you gotta hold that. Here, use that right. Let's see what's in the bunghole. Is this thing? It's gonna get all covered in oil. Even if you want to just look at the screen. So, oh wow, look at that picture there. So, dude,
It's like half blocked.
it's, I think all the little why you don't buy the first year of a car. Because after the first couple blow up, those would have probably fixed this. I think we need to pick whatever's in there is like stuck. Yeah, I don't think much even went down in there. Oh shit, it's the pretty straight one. Let me pull this here, so whatever falls, fall right on there.
Light?
This. Alright, let's just use that. Okay, so, well, looks like I got all the big ones out, and actually the strainer looks, I think it's pretty clean actually. Yeah, the strainer holes look good too, thank God. Fuck, I'm just getting oil all over my phone. I'll grab some brake clean and spray it up in there just to make sure there's nothing stuck. Yeah, it looks a lot better, yeah. I think whatever metal might have been in there is out now too.
It looked like it was more than that though.
It did.
I bet you a bunch went in the thing.
Just get out whatever's in there. Yeah, it looks better now. It's clean. Alright guys, well, let's look at the damage. So, this is the major stuff here. Look at those big globs. This is the same color as the oil pan, right?
Yes.
That looks like oil pan. This is black. So I'm not sure where this...
Wasn't that the timing cover? Dude, look at how much is in there.
Oh man, look in there. You want to pour it out? Let's take a look at it on the cardboard. So this car has 4,000 kilometers on it.
There's still a bunch in there.
There's still a bunch in there, eh? Yeah, well, take a look at that. So you got the dark gray stuff. You have black silicone. And like some of these pieces, if you look, are so small, they could have got through the screen. It could be clogging up the bearings already. This feels really soft, whatever this one is. And then there's this black one. I'm not sure where this is from. Which is, kind of feels hard, yeah. And then there's this stuff. I think this is the oil pan stuff. So, first thing to do when you get your car, guys, is bring it to a good shop and get this thing cleaned out. And I'd